Good evening, everyone. This Wednesday, masking in schools will no longer be required by Albany.
Governor Kathy Hochul made that announcement yesterday. This means individual school districts will now have to decide whether to continue to tell folks to mask inside their buildings. Amel Elhel joins us live in Rochester with more on what local leaders are saying about all this. Amel?
That's right, Adam, Teresa. Both the county health commissioner and the county executive are both backing the governor's decision to lift the mask mandate in schools. And now it's up to families to decide whether or not they're going to keep sending their schools with or without a mask.
Our full support for the governor's decision yesterday to lift the statewide school mask requirement.
Masks can now come off in New York State schools. The announcement comes following a 98% drop in COVID cases throughout the state. The governor's announcement gives leeway to counties should they choose to continue a mandate based on their COVID metrics.
Monroe County will not be implementing a mask requirement for schools.
Statewide, only 0.008% tested positive after 51 days of a downward trend. Also the lowest point in pediatric cases since July of last year. Dr. Mendoza says if new cases are to arise inside the classroom, they would be handled on a case-by-case basis.
If we need to make recommendations for the school to close a classroom, I think that would be a conversation that we have with the school.
Bello says regardless of the mandate lifting, many families will still choose to mask up.
We need to be respectful of everyone's choice, whether a student chooses to wear a mask or just chooses not to wear a mask, or a teacher, a faculty member, or an administrator. We need to be respectful of everyone's personal, individual choices that they make, and work together here just like we have through the whole pandemic till we get through this healthy and safe.
Meantime, most county-run COVID testing sites will be closing. Instead, the county will be providing at-home tests at 32 county libraries starting tomorrow.
In addition to still continuing to do the county-run sites scale to the demand that we've been meeting, we're also going to be able to put out a lot more rapid test sites more conveniently located throughout the community.
You can find a link over to those participating libraries over on our website, rochesterfirst.com. Adam, Teresa, back to you.
All right, Amel, thank you. Bello says there's still room to make changes if need be, but right now he says the trajectory of cases and hospitalizations, they are moving in the right direction. Proof of that in the numbers today. Let's take a look. 278 people hospitalized with COVID-19 in the Finger Lakes region. That's down 44 from a week ago. Of those patients, 44 are in the ICU. That's 8 fewer than last Monday. In Monroe County, 11 new virus-related deaths have been reported over the past week. 669 total cases have been confirmed since the 21st, and the rolling average of new cases is 96 per day. Well, Bills fans will no longer be denied access to Highmark Stadium if they're